Good day, traders. Today is Tuesday, 28th. On the left corner here, you have the C scalper, and you can see on the three different charts already hit the target. And then we have the YM hit the first round 500 on the A scalper, and then we reloaded. We got 500, and then some other targets has been hit. So for the traders, the ones have the A and the B scalpers, you are eligible to get the C scalper for free. And for the ones who have not got it, please contact me as soon as possible so we can send you that. And for uh, also for our members, we have made a private web page for you guys where you can go in and log in and get the latest information, what is coming out. We have a lot of stuff coming out next week and the week after. And there is a big announcement coming in 15 days. We have another big announcement coming, and also another project is coming out in 40 days. So you can see what is coming up next week and the week after. And for the ones who has the version 2 on the A and the B scalper, I guarantee you, if you try the version 3, you will be very amazed with what we have done on the version 3. We've had so many updates on those A and a B, and what we have learned from A and B, we have implemented those easily on the C scalper. So for the members are not registered yet on our private web, please send me an email, and we will send you the login information, and that is for members only. At least you can cross and see the file dates if you have or you are updated to the date. There is no file on the web, but at least you can see if you are behind on any updates, because practically every week we have an update. But then you will email me and I will send you the file. There on the web, the private web, there is no file you can download. You can download chart templates, and this is it. But then you can see what is an update, what is coming out next week, some of the results. On the YouTube here we use 150 ticks, but there is much better time frame to use. As an example, on the 30-year Treasury bond on the B scalper, 2 minutes is doing a wonderful performance for the last few weeks, and we have a lot of traders are taking those live trade, and they are very happy with those results on the 30-year Treasury bond on the B scalper. So information like that probably you don't know. It's very nice to log in and get the latest, what's going on, what time frame to use, what instruments to use. Also, we have a lot of new traders, and sometimes we think they know everything, then we find out they don't know nothing. And for any trader out there, member of Best Pro Trade, want to go live, please contact me to go in and make sure that you have the right setting at least the first time. Contact me and let me go with you on the first few trades, 2-3 trades live when you want to go live. Don't go live alone. I mean, as an example, we have two different traders this month. Of course, when we installed the system for them, we told them to go on a sim for a few days to see what they have, you know. And the latest customer, and this is the second one this month, we installed the system for him. We told him to go on the sim the first week to get the feel of it. And sure enough, after I left and we set up everything, we set up all the instruments, we set up everything, then this guy just decided to go live with it half an hour later, and then he turned on all 3 auto trades on the same instrument on Wednesday on the CL before the inventory. So you have this yesterday, precisely yesterday, he turned on the A scalper on the same live account on the CL, and he turned the B scalper on the same account on a CL, and he turned on the C scalper on the same account on the CL. And this is where the conflicting happened. I find out that is some traders really they don't understand that you cannot do that when one auto trade is taken long and short, and then another auto trade taken so they are closing each other's position. And when I saw that uh, come in and log in, I mean, it really made me sad, to be honest with you. This is an example that we want to make sure that we thought, I mean, this is common sense. I don't know how anybody can get confused with it. When you are using one instrument, you can use the same auto trade, the same account on 20 different instruments, but you cannot use 3 auto trade on one instrument and one account. And I find out some traders there were not aware of that. Another guy, as an example, he took the first day on the ES Life, and he nailed $750 with the real money. That guy was excited. He went out with his girlfriend, celebrated, and of course, you don't hear a beep from the customer when he's doing good. And then in the morning, he got up and he found out he closed NinjaTrader, and the auto trade was still in one position. So he took overnight an ES trade, and he was not aware to flatten everything before he locked NinjaTrader, and he tried to blame NinjaTrader. I said, no, you blame yourself, and I guarantee you that guy he will never close NinjaTrader before he flatten out everything. And then there is a lot of things like this, small things traders thinks they are aware of, and then you find out that that trader is his first time auto trading, or like on last Thursday and Friday when the news came out of England that the market was jumping, was not even moving, and on that day you should not be trading or auto trading. So there is a lot of small things like your firewall, or if your computer don't have enough RAM, or your internet connection is very slow, or so there is nothing wrong by calling me. Every single trader, you're very welcome to call me, and then we set up a date or a time that I can come in and be with you the first couple of 3 days, so we make sure that you are in the safe water. And again, any auto trade, whether it's from a Bass Pro Trade or any other firm, you should never go live with it after 5 minutes. You should be on a sim for a week to understand how those trades are taken, to understand the limitation, to understand how it's reacting when the market is flat. You have some auto trade on a flat market that can blow up your account. As an example, if I want to go on the Globex overnight, I will not use the C scalper, I will use the B scalper, because the B scalper is made for that time where there is no volume and the market is flat, so can go in and then nail a few ticks here and there when the doors are open. So there is 3 different scalper for 3 different purposes, and it's very nice to understand which one and to take for that day, or what time to use, or what instruments you are using. It's not just ignition, lift off, and we are on the moon. I mean, there is a process, and you have to understand that. Don't act on your own. Please, we will make the time for you, and please try to contact us when you want to go live. I cannot. The reality is, I find out there is a lot of people, they don't, they think they covered all the corners, but then when we come, like as an example, we had a guy is sitting on a Wi-Fi on a laptop in the garden when I auto trade. I mean, you don't do that when you want to auto trade. There is a lot of information coming into your NinjaTrader, going in and out, that it will be maybe wiser to have a cable to your net before you start auto trading. And those auto trades, they can be automatic, or you can put a safe stop loss. Like, let's say if you are from South America, Mexico, or you are in Singapore, or those poor Australians, they have a very low connection with the internet. So it is very wise to test the speed, test your internet, to see your firewall, your antivirus. There is some antiviruses are not good for trading. They really slow down your data. Or if you have a server, there is some servers out there for $80 and $100 a month. They're running NinjaTrader on 1.5 ROM, where NinjaTrader require minimum 4 gigabyte RAM just to run NinjaTrader without any add-on on it. And to get the problem was they rent those cheap server for $80, and you come into the servers, they are running 1.5 gigabyte RAM, and they have 100 chart out there, and you can see every chart is frozen, and the delay on the timing is a way like seconds behind the real market order. So all those educational, and they need to come in and get the right couple weeks to get educated. Or if you're not a good trader, a manual trader, it's also very wise to get some ideas. If you want to trade the ES, what is the limitation on the ES? What is the high time? Where is the spike on the ES? Where is how limited is the ES and how limited is the CL? Because you have the ES has a different personality than the CL. The CL has a different personality than the DAX. There is those basic information is embarrassment to talk about it in the public, but contact me, a new customer, nobody knows anything. Privately contact me, and I will be more than glad to be with you on the first couple of 3 trades. It's much better to be safe than sorry. Even if you are a very wizard with a NinjaTrader, what's wrong by getting a second opinion and say, come and look at my system before I go live? And that it is very important, folks, to be safe, because if you don't respect that market, the market is not respecting you. So please, folks, be careful, and nothing wrong to ask a question, and nothing wrong to get support. If you are new on NinjaTrader, we have a special guy we hired for you. I know NinjaTrader have all the videos out there to train you, but there is a lot of members are new on NinjaTrader 8. That's fine. We hired a special guy to give you some lessons on NinjaTrader, to walk you through, teaching you how to load templates, how to activate your ATM, and there is nothing wrong with that. So please call us, and then we can direct you to the right support for you for whatever you wanted to be doing. And again, guys, for our members, try to register on the private web. I'll send you the link. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. And please be safe. And we will be having a lot of announcement coming out. There is a lot of new stuff coming out. So please log in and see and read. There is some stuff you're going to be very pleased about. So please call us to our members or register to our web. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.